Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this. So today we're gonna be cooking Imam Bayildi. There is a funny story behind this dish. The Imam, a very important person back in the day, ate so much of it that he fainted, and hence the name Imam Bayildi. The Imam fainted. So today, me and my mom went to one of the local markets to buy some fresh ingredients from the local producers. Everything here is natural, locally grown, and organic. All right, so the dish is very simple in terms of ingredients. As you can see, we don't have a lot of stuff. We have an eggplant, a tomato, onions, garlic, and a few simple spices such as paprika, whole black peppercorns, and we're also going to use some salt and pepper. What is the first step? The first step is to cut the eggplant into slices. When the eggplant is cut into slices, we have to salt it very well.
Хубаво се посолява.
When the eggplant is salted very well, you have to rest it for 1 hour. Alright, so it's been an hour, the eggplant was rested with the salt, and now what are we gonna do? Каква е следващата стъпка? Step number 4 is to wash the eggplant from the salt and dry it with paper towel. So I have the pan here with some oil, and I'm heating up the oil, and we're gonna lightly fry the eggplant first. We lightly fry both sides of the eggplant, and we do this to all the eggplant. When the eggplant is ready, we rest it on the paper towel, and we fry the next batch with layers of paper towel in between. So this is the last of the eggplant, and we're just gonna put it on top of the paper towel, where, as you can see, we have layers of paper towel and eggplant. The next thing that we have to do is peel the onion and the garlic.
Почваме да режем лука на полумесеци. Малки парченца.
And now we're cutting the tomatoes. When the onion becomes translucent, we have to add the garlic. After that, we have to add the black peppercorns. And now we just have to add the tomatoes. Now we have to season the tomatoes with salt and paprika, and we have to cook them for about 10 minutes. The next step is put some of the sauce on the bottom of the baking dish, make a layer of eggplant, and then cover it with sauce and make another layer of eggplant until the baking dish is full, and we put the remaining sauce on top of the eggplant. Now the
Готово.
dish is ready to go in the oven.
Ще го слагаме вече във формата.
Now we're putting it in the oven where it will remain for 1 hour, and after the hour we'll see if we need to cook it more. So this is what the dish looks like after 1 hour in the oven, and I think it doesn't need any more baking, so it's ready to serve. All right, trying the Imam Bayildi. Wow, absolutely amazing. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.